Hey everybody, I'm Glenn. Welcome to Sand Dog Kayak Adventures, and we are in Mission Bay today. We have some return customers, some return friends is more like it now. We fished with them a bunch of times. Rob and Cam are out here from Colorado. They've got some family here. They're from San Diego, but they live in Colorado now. They're getting ready to probably buy a place out here and move back. But until then, they come back quite a bit, and this is their third trip. First trip, Rob caught some hallie and a couple of spotties in Mission Bay. Second trip, we all went to Point Loma, and me and Rob caught a few fish. And today we're in Mission Bay again, going for some halibut. But so check this out. Rob, last time he was out here, we went fishing, and then he went home and instantly bought himself that. I'm talking about you and your kayak right now. I'm telling him, I'm like, dude, this guy came out, had a great time, went home and said, I gotta get me one.
Exactly what it was, too.
Oh, dude, it's a good time, dude. People have no idea how, like, relaxing and fun and, like...
It is. It's totally a mental thing, too.
Oh, yeah.
Stress reliever, everything.
Yeah, and it's like you can have fun with your significant other, or if you need some time away from your significant other, it works either way.
It does.
Yes,
You got... I know, I told Roxanne today, I was like, hey, just so you know, I'll be out in the water all day, you're off, like, welcome to the home alone, do whatever you want, baby.
Yeah.
All right, let's try this again with a battery that's charged. So that's basically what we're doing. We got Kim out here, got Rob, he's got his kayak here. We've all got hit by something and all missed it. So hopefully the bite's on, hopefully we catch some fish. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Doesn't matter if it's winter, spring, summer, or fall, baby. We're going out, we're kayak fishing. We're fishing in San Diego, doing all kinds of stuff. I'm trying to show you guys how to catch bait, fish off the pier, catch ghost shrimp, how to catch yellowtail, all that. So if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. And we thank you guys so much. You. Well, since I'm recording, let's get a shot of you.
Well, hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing just fine.
It just got whacked. Oh, no. He's off. Oh, hooked up again. I think it's a spotty. Definitely feels like a spotty. Lots of frickin' head shakes. Yep, I see him. He's a spotty. Yep. Spotty. No one really keeps the spotties. The limit or the size is 14 inches, but no one keeps them for a couple of reasons. They taste crappy.
Oh.
and they're just kind of like a San Diego sport fish. Like people in San Diego go, like there's a whole tournament that goes on for like 6 months out of the year called Spotty Bowl, where it's just for spotted bay bass. Yeah. So most people don't keep them. Oh, you swallowed it, you dirty dog.
What happens then?
I just cut it and put on another hook.
Oh.
So that it just rusts out after like a day being in the salt water. It'll just kind of disappear instead of ripping his guts out. Yeah, no, I try and put as many fish back safely as I can. I always bring tons of extra hooks.
Yeah.
Every now and then, you know, you're just like, oh, you know,
Yeah.
it is what it is. Like this one.
Can't do anything about that.
But this guy, he just swallowed it, so he'll be fine. There you go.
Oh, he's pretty.
Show him to the camera. Yeah.
Pretty.
Yep.
Love the colors.
I know, they're cool and they fight. They fight right. Yeah, it tastes like shit. My buddy calls them the silicone fish. He says that's what they taste like. Mission Bay's garbage man at your service. This looks like a freaking pillow. Or a cushion. It's actually a cushion of some sort. So we'll just, and it will sit right there until I take it to the garbage.
Oh, nice, huh?
Oh, you got a Hali, huh?
Nice.
Nice. He said, I don't like your boat.
Yeah.
We like your boat. He hates your boat.
Ah. Oh, that's a little one.
Right on. Oh, he's got a hyped up one.
Swallowed.
Well, that's the thing I love about this rig is like if they swallow it, I just cut it off
Actually,
and tie on another hook.
he's not bad. Now I gotta find my pliers. I think
I got a pair right here. That might be a little tight, I'm not sure. Oh, you got him with the J hook.
Yeah.
The treble just sort of foul hooked underneath, but you got him with the J. That's kind of rare and that's kind of nice because they're way easier to take out. And then he's just got that little foul hook on the
Chin.
right on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
I caught more garbage than anything.
Did you see what I caught? This pillow or whatever this is? I was like,
Yes, I was wondering what that was.
I found it floating in the freaking.
Ah.
Let me get a picture with my phone because my phone always takes way better pictures. Like the GoPro's good for the video, but the phone is for the thumbnail. My man doing work as usual. That's beautiful. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Right on. Yeah, you can throw them in whenever you want. But oh, he did a U-turn.
Did a skid.
That was funny. Got one?
Woo!
I just got one too.
Woohoo! I just got new bait.
I think I got a little Hali, I can't tell. Oh yeah, oh, he's not that little. Bigger than I thought. In you go. He's a feisty one. For the thumbnail. Oh, come on, man. Just for a second, bro. Oh, here. He's probably like 16. There he goes. There he is. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Dude, this is crazy. You very rarely see Mission Bay this calm. I mean, look at this. It looks like there's oil on top of the water. It's freaking awesome. Also, guys, don't forget about the raffle. We're going to be going up to Pure Water Sports on Christmas Eve and drawing a name for the raffle. It's $100 a ticket. There's 25 tickets total. I think we're at like 19 or 20. I think we have five or six spots left. So if you'd like to win a Hobie passport, the exact same kind of yaks that I use when I'm guiding and the clients use while they're with me, check us out. Send us an email at sanddogkayakadventures.com. And like I said, it's $100 a spot, no more than 25 spots, and you got a 1 in 25 shot of winning a brand new Hobie. Feels like a halibut. Feels pretty decent. Not sure about being a keeper, but we'll see. Ooh. He's definitely a halibut. He's definitely decent too. Yep, there he is. Oh yeah. He just took off. See how I just kind of slowly use the pressure of him coming up, keep the bend in the rod, and then just kind of reel down, then just sort of, that's literally just, so when he takes off, just let him take the line, slowly lift, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah. He's fired up. I don't know how he's hooked. I think he might be hooked funny. Oh yeah, he's foul hooked. That's why he's acting so crazy, yeah. Hold on, buddy. As soon as you calm down a second, we'll be able to get you right on out of here. Clear this stuff away. Gotcha. He's probably a little bit short. He felt a lot bigger because he was foul hooked. Yeah. So he was like pulling all kinds of crazy.
Oh, he's so pretty.
You want to hold him and take a picture with him?
Oh, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, but thanks.
You. Yeah, he felt a lot bigger. I was like, dude, he's got to be hooked funny.
He's cool.
There you go, brother.
So that's just from the line dragging across the bottom and having a treble hook in addition to the bait?
Yep, all I do is have the J hook's just to hold the fish there. Yep. The treble hook so it stays in the back by his tail because that's where the halibut bite it. Oh, and so you literally just drop him on the bottom, let him swim around. Yes. If you use just the J hook through the nose and drag them around like that, you'd come up with just a head of that bait a lot. Yeah. They'd bite the.
Every time I've been hit, I've been hitting the middle.
Yeah, they don't ever go for the head. They go for the middle and the back. That's why you have that little treble hook.
Okay, gotcha.
And it's just drop it and just drag it around all over the place. And yep. The last one I caught was like over on that corner over there, but this is just a big sand flat where they're just all laying around, and
okay.
That's literally, yeah, now you know my secret.
Yes.
It's
no big secret.
Yeah, it's sandy and I drag live fish around on the bottom.
Yes.
Like, look at the big brain on me.